YouTube, it's your girl Frisbee Good, and today I'm going to be showing you how to thread your Juki Mo-50en. First things first, you're going to want to start by cutting your machine off. Next thing you want to do is open the front door to your serger. Now, rotate your cutter foot to keep it out of the way while you're threading your machine. Now, following the diagram below, we're going to thread our serger inside out. Starting with blue to red, then green to orange. I always start by threading my tree first and looping my thread around the metal hooks. Starting with the blue, you're going to hook your thread around and then bring it around this little round plate and bring it down. Before starting, adjust your upper and lower looper. Now, grab your tweezers. Guide your thread in between each blue dot as shown. Next, take your thread and put it through the eye of the upper looper. Be sure to put your thread behind your lower looper so it doesn't get tangled while you're serging. Now we're going to move on to the red. Hook your thread around and bring it down in between the tension rods as we did the blue. Following the red dots, we're going to guide our thread through as shown. We're going to hook under and over and then under again. Now readjust your upper and lower looper like this. Next, guide your thread through the eye of the lower looper. Also, make sure that your thread is behind this little metal plate before you lift up the lever to secure your thread. Now we're going to come back up to the green, following the same steps we did for the first two, bringing our thread around and down into the tension rods. Continue to guide your thread around the metal plates, up following the arrows, and then down into the metal channel below.
I can't answer the real
Adjust
question.
your needles once again. Now place your thread into the metal opening and down and thread the eye of the right needle. I like to lift my presser foot up and place all my threads underneath. Finally, we're on to the orange, and we're basically going to follow the same steps that we did for the green. So bring your thread down and around and into the metal plates. We're just going to hook our thread around the right needle and into the eye of the needle next. Alright guys, we're just about done. Go ahead and turn the cutter back around. Close the front door to your serger. Cut it on. And now your machine is ready to run. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching my video on how to thread the Juki Mo-50en. Go ahead and leave a comment if you have any questions, and follow me on Instagram at FrisbeeGood. Also, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, bye.